Hey, hey, today I am gonna be making slime with a glue and Tide. So I will have to get the ingredients of this time. I can't pause the video because, well, the camera, it's my phone's charging. Literally, I have this adapter thing over here. But yeah. So, for my last video, which was making slime, the reason why it's this dark color green, it is because of this, yes, because of this nail polish, which does have some glitter in it. In this, which made a nasty green, which now I regret, because I want clear slime now. Yeah, but yeah. So, that's what I used for the color, believe it or not. So, today, instead, right in front of you, I'm gonna make a slime. See, this is my own slime. I don't know why I'm still playing with it, but okay. So I got it backward. So first, in here, yes, this is my blue box for slime stuff. We are gonna need, of course, glue. Okay, maybe I could put, if I do it like, yeah, like this, okay. Just like the same thing, okay. But yeah, now, yeah, I can pause the video. Oh, see, there's better. See, okay, that's better. Okay, but be right back. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom, so it looked too much. Okay, so we got the glue. Where'd the glue go? And this time, it's with baking soda. Okay, so you might think that the other one is a fake, but it actually does work. That's how I made this one. But yeah. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. So let me just dump this in, which I'm gonna have to put you on pause for this. There's my cat up there taking a bath. I don't think he can hear me. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so I just put the glue in. You can see over here. Sure, it's real glue. See, it's not slime. It's just plain glue. Okay, now I'm gonna add decorations. Well, I think after this video when I'm done making it, because it's easier to put after. And then now we have the baking soda. So let's open this up because this is new. You know what? I'm gonna actually get Tide. I don't know. I'm actually gonna find, yeah, baking soda. I have to open this, don't I? Because Tide doesn't work that well for me. Okay, I'll be back when I pour it in. Okay, so I got it in. Be right back. Back. Be right back. Back again. Let's mix it up. I'll show you when it's done because I'm gonna mix somewhere else. There's a lot of noise. So be right back. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. So I had the decoration in the kitchen with my dad. It did turn out good, but it doesn't stretch well. See, it's like a jelly slime, but it doesn't stretch well. So, I don't know about this, but I think I may have added a little bit too much baking soda. I don't know. Here's the baking soda, as you can see. See, there's nothing different. But yeah, this is what it turned out to be. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video, which I don't know what will be, but you can see that pink from the glue, which I can show you again. Yes, it's a little dark because baking soda, and it has glitter too. So I hope you enjoy. Have a good day.